Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a series of numbers in publisher table. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to insert a series of numbers. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the insert menu. Then we can see here the table option. We click it. Now we click insert table option and choose the number of rows and columns. Then click OK. Now we can see we insert a table. Then we move the table to open the page. Then resize the table sum B. Then select the first column and go to the home menu. Then click the numbering option and choose any numbering. Then click the outside of the table and we can see we insert a series of numbers in this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.